Hi guys and welcome back. So today's workout is a 5-minute press up workout consisting of 4 different types of press ups. You'll do 20 seconds of work on, rest for 20, back on for the next exercise for 20 seconds, and we go through the 4 and then you repeat that again. So that will take you up to the 5-minute mark. So the 4 exercises themselves, number 1 is going to be slightly wider position, still trying to keep your elbows back and in. Then we're on to our narrow, which you'll be targeting behind the triceps that little bit more. So trying to keep your elbows definitely in for this one. Then we're on to diamond. So if you wish, you can open the diamond a little bit wider, as these can be quite tricky. Again, trying to keep your elbows in for those. And then the last one is going to be a hold. You're going to go into your narrow position, drop, hold for about 8 or 10 seconds and drive up. So maybe get 2 or 3 sets of that in within the 20 seconds for those ones. And we do it again, and that's it, guys. So if you want to make this slightly easier, if you're a beginner, for example, simply do these on your knees, okay? Or if you get fatigued at any point on your knees, off your knees, just drop to go on your knees. So you can change these, just keep going. Try to focus on quality rather than quantity. I mean, I do love to rep out my press ups sometimes if I'm doing HIIT, etc. But there's other times I like to really focus, do some isometric holds, some single arm work, that sort of thing. But yeah, today is going to be quality over quantity. So take it nice and slow, focus on your form. Press ups for me, they're one of my favorites. I find them an all over body workout. For me, I really engage my glutes, my quads, okay? My core is working overtime to keep myself nice and steady. It's quite hard work to keep that so still, okay? And then lower down, back up. So obviously you're hitting your chest, triceps and shoulders there. Okay, but yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a go. Yeah, you can make it your own as well. Do variations, add some weight onto your back if you want to add plates. So weighted press ups are great for this as well. You can make it harder or easier. Right guys, let's get into this workout.